This is the Australian National University Library, and this video will show you how to search the library. So, you are getting ready to start doing some research, but you are not sure where to start. Well, welcome to SuperSearch, ANU Library's search engine. You can use it to find books and ebooks, journal and newspaper articles, online resources, archival materials, video, and so much more. SuperSearch searches all of ANU Library's physical books and resources, as well as most of the online collection. This means it is a great place to get started with research for your assessments or to find your course readings. Using SuperSearch is as easy as typing your keywords into the search box. Remember though, SuperSearch is not Google. You need to use keywords related to your topic. If you just type in a question, you won't find what you're looking for. Make sure you are logged into ANU Library before you start searching. Some materials are only available to ANU students and staff, so if you don't log in, you won't see as many results. Because SuperSearch can search across so many different resources, you are likely to get a lot of results. But don't worry, that's what filters are for. Once you have started your search, you can narrow down your results using these filters. You can narrow your search by date to make sure you are getting the most recent results, or you can filter by resource type if you only want to see online results, or if you want an actual physical copy of a book. Using the filters will make sure you are only seeing the types of materials you are looking for. If you run out of time to finish your research, you don't have to worry about losing all of your hard work. You can save results by clicking on the pin icon and come back to them later in your saved items found here. You can even save your entire search so you can run it again later by clicking this pin here. As new research and books are published, this can be really helpful to ensure your assessments include the latest research in your field. But SuperSearch is so much more than just a search engine. You can also use it to view and manage your loans. Your Library Record tab allows you to view your loan history, upcoming due dates, and see any overdue items. You can also renew your loans here. And what happens if what you are looking for is not available through SuperSearch? No problem. You can even use SuperSearch to request items from other libraries or from our vast storage facility. Remember, if in doubt, it is always best to check with your lecturer or supervisor. Looking for more resources on researching, writing, and using the library? We have an amazing collection of online materials and guides available through the ANU Library website, as well as workshops and videos. Having trouble? The ANU Library is here to help. If in doubt, reach out to our friendly staff at the desk or on chat.